Hello friends, this is Prema from DSS. Today we will get out of the topic of pandemic and all the tips and tricks. Today we will see what tips that we can enhance the energy at home, or what is that you're doing wrong with these items at home. We all have a lot of things at home, like show pieces. We get it from so many places. We keep them in the showcase. We actually decorate it. But do you know that how much are we connected with them? Every time you see your thought will get connected with one certain thing. Your thought will again connect with the human being. Your thought can connect with the nature. So you are actually connecting yourself to certain things. So these all create a certain kind of energy. So today we will see that very common things that every household will have one or two at home. If they are right, they are right. If they actually are keeping it wrong, they can actually make it right now. Everybody has got the laughing Buddha or the happy man dolls at home, dolls or symbols or pictures or whatever. But most of the time it would be like, wherever we go, we get a lot of gifts of this happy man, and in marriages and functions, wherever we go, the return gifts come as something like this only. But we don't know, we get it and keep it somewhere in one place. That's all. But we don't even think that actually every time we see those things, we actually connect to them. We will be thinking, oh, this was given by that person that day in that function. And this is nice. So every time you walk around that picture or the thing, your thought is getting connected with that. That's why we say things that you keep often seeing, they should be of good character, good value. So today I will tell you about laughing Buddha. One tip about laughing Buddha. See, never keep a laughing Buddha like a standing one in front of the entrance. See, this is a laughing Buddha which is actually standing. This is a gift again. So what I do, I'll keep it inside the showcase and close it off where I don't see. But this is a laughing Buddha which I like because it is gold color. Always have a laughing Buddha with a golden color. Okay, so gold, and with if you can have with a red bag. This is absolutely right. But the only thing is that this Buddha is not sitting. If you want the prosperity, the wealth coming insides to stay at home, you need to have a laughing Buddha which is sitting. When it is stable, the income is stable, the whatever comes inside the house will stay. So if you have a standing laughing Buddha and it is right in front of the entrance door, please take that out and keep it in a different place where you don't see it very often. Or you can give it to someone, do something. Okay. So this is one tip. And again, don't keep any standing, even Lakshmi. For that matter, some people keep a big Lakshmi photo. Ganesha almost, it will be like sitting only. So that will not be a problem. Lakshmi also should not be standing. It should be sitting. This will increase the wealth to stay in a place. And if you have a sitting Buddha and there is no purse or no any coins around and all, what you can do is you can just take a small red cloth or a small piece of cloth. You can tie it like a bag, put a coin in that, and you keep it near that. That will increase your wealth at home. And this is again, see, this is also a standing one. This also has a wealth bag. The wealth bag should be always colored with red color. You can also color it off. so that it attracts more prosperity. Okay, so this is about laughing Buddhas. Okay, now let me talk about one more thing that we all have at home is money plant. We keep the money plant and bamboo. So bamboo doesn't actually fall because it is like a tree, it will grow straight. So always keep any plant that grows straight, and even money plant you can keep it, but you make sure that it has a support and it grows with the support, not droop down. So always a tree should be stable, and when it grows straight, our life also should be steady. When you are having certain elements, that is a living thing inside your house, make sure that it is in the right way. So money plant, we can see a lot of people in all the rooms they will have, or everywhere and anywhere, in bottles, in jars and all, every place you can see. But make sure that it is growing in straight, like in the vertical position. And then one more tip is like, keep a handful of salt in any corner of your house on a Sunday, and dispose that salt the coming Sunday. You can keep that in a small pot, or put it in a red color pot and put the salt in, and keep it in one corner of the room, wherever you feel that negativity is more. If you do this, the energy will change. And one more wealth tip would be, always keep your wallets clean. No bills should be there in your wallet. No any bills that you have already spent, don't keep them. Don't keep unnecessary photographs. Only keep the cards in the card holder, keep the notes according to the denomination, and don't have a tone wallet. Okay, and money is energy. Always have a high denomination, at least one note in your purse. This will actually bring, you will be and write something like, I am a money magnet, and put it inside the, wherever you put that ID card kind of a thing, there will be a transparent paper. You say, I am a money magnet, I attract money, I attract wealth, something. Whenever you open that, you will keep seeing that. So you attract more. So these are some tips, small tips. Okay, there is a lot to go into details, but all these things we can make small corrections here and there, and have energy shift, and be happy like a happy man. Thank you so much. Hope you all enjoyed this. This is Prema signing off from DSS. Bye bye. See you. Stay safe.